Hi guys, how are you? In this time of pandemic, we would like to do everything in all ways to protect our family. Like me, I was hesitant to take the vaccine before, but since I have a daughter and we were always together, so in a way I want to be protected so that I can also protect her. And another way is following the health protocol, like wearing face mask, face shield, and even in our office we also have air purifier. Then while walking or during traveling, especially when I commute going on and to the work, so I'd like to also be somehow protected. There's no assurance, there's no guarantee, but as much as possible we want to do something, especially in this time of COVID. So I was able to order the portable air purifier from Aviche.ph, and it just arrived today, delivered by JNT Express. So this is actually unboxing of the Aviche M1 version 3.0 or version 3. The price is actually $2,799, but I was able to order it during the promo which ended last August 16 for only $999 instead of $2,799. But today I checked again, the price is already $1,099, so I kinda saved more than more than 1,000 peso. So I ordered 2 pieces, so let's open it now. What's inside the Aviche M1 version 3 delivery. So the delivery is well packed and it has bubble wrap, so everything is fine on the outside. So let's try to check what's inside. They have a freebie. You can hang it on your bags and put some alcohol. Nice. And this one, it's heavy. It's properly wrapped with bubble sheet. So there are 2 boxes inside, since I ordered 2, one for me and one for Patricia, my daughter. So wearable air purifier, I ordered 2 of it. So let's open what's inside the box. So the back is very durable. It's not wood, but I think it's a hard carton version, hard box. So this is what's inside. Wearable air purifier with a built-in strap. Then it has a charger. You have this one so that you can adjust the length of your strap. And also a care card or manual on how to use the